Hey you all, my name is Ananya Dalmia and for today's video, I am going to be reviewing all the products that I bought from small businesses. Okay, so there are a total of 11 small businesses that I will be talking about. So, first of all, so these are all the products that I will be reviewing today and some jewelry and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all that's gonna be there. So let's just get into the video. So for the very first product, I will be introducing you guys to my own small business and there are three products and yes, first is so yeah, first is this dress and it's really pretty. It gives you like this whole cottagecore vibes. I will obviously insert all the pictures somewhere. Then the next dress is this dress. It's first of all, this is like my favorite out of all the three dresses. Like there's something about this dress. It's very princessy. Like you see, it has these, like you can tie it at the back, and it gives you like a really flattering waist kind of look, and the sleeves, like they look so pretty, and this dress is overall like my favorite, and my most favorite thing about this dress is like you can wear it anywhere. Lunch dates, yes. Party, yes. Breakfast date, yes. Hanging out with friends, yes. And like just everything you can do with this dress. It's like an overall kind of dress. And moving on to the next dress, this is the dress. Like this is the dress, is so pretty. Like this was the very first dress that I got made, and it is very similar to those trendy dresses that are going on, like this one, and yeah, I really like it. And even for this dress, you can literally wear it anywhere, like coffee dates, breakfast dates, lunch dates, and hanging out with friends, doing nothing. You can just wear it anytime. So now moving on to the next small business, it's called Nisar. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct, but I got these brown pants from there, and yeah, they look like this. It's like wide leg and they look super pretty. I got these when the brown pants were really in, and the quality is really good. It looks amazing, but the only problem that I have with my bottoms is like they do not fit me from my lower waist, is that they do not fit me from my upper waist area. They fit me perfectly from my lower waist, but so I just need to get it altered. So to fix this thing, there are times when I just put on shorts underneath this and wear this, so it becomes tight from my waist area. And if I do not want to do that, I'm clicking just some pictures, I just put on some clip or something. And also the zip is like really bad, it doesn't close sometimes, and it's like I don't know if like there are like sometimes it just doesn't close, like oh god, how am I gonna show you guys? Wait. Yeah, see. Yeah, see. So it's like all closed from the bottom, and now this happens. So yeah, this is like the part that annoys me the most. Rest everything is good, just the waist thingy and the zip. These are the two things that I didn't like. But they are super comfortable, so I will give these pants like an 8 out of 10, because there are some like finishing that needs to be done. Like here you can see these little threads are coming out, and they do not look that good. So yeah, I'll give these an 8 out of 10. Okay, so for the next small business, I'm not really sure about the page, but I guess it's Thrift India. I'll just put the username somewhere here. Okay, so from them I got these two bags and this one tennis skirt and this one in the color black, this one in the color blue and this black tennis skirt. So for the tennis skirt, I guess it's just like every other tennis skirt and the quality is okay based on the price. I guess it's for 700, 800 something. I cannot really exactly remember, so I'll just insert it somewhere here. And yeah, it's okay, like it's good. So I'll just give it a 10 out of 10 because I don't think that I can get any better quality in this price. So yeah, now moving on to these blue and black bags. They both like they look perfect and their zips were completely fine and they both look super cute. So yeah, 10 out of 10 to both of them. Now moving on to the next small business, it's Kora by Swapna and I got this tote bag from her and like it gives full on Pinterest vibes and it's so aesthetic. The colors look beautiful and the quality is also amazing. So yeah, 10 out of 10 again for this one. So now moving on to the next small business, I guess it's called Love Pure Thrift and I'll just link the username somewhere here and I got this blue tennis skirt from them. So yeah, the quality again is amazing and it's just like every other tennis skirt and the quality is the same as the black one and the price is also somewhat similar like 700, 800. Yeah, again 10 out of 10 because cannot really expect anything better than this quality in that price. So now the next small business that we will be talking about is Skechers. And I got these workout bottoms from them and they are so terrible. Like, I cannot even explain it to you guys. Like so first of all, when I ordered from them, I got them in size small and when I received the order, there were a lot of stains on the pants. So I had to return them and then I got size medium because the size small was like extremely tight, like the uncomfortable tight. Then I got these one in medium and when I tried them on, they are extremely loose. Like I don't know, it's for a medium or a large. And if I work out in them, I do not feel like I'm working out because they are always slipping. So I wouldn't recommend it to you guys. Yes, the color is pretty good, it's amazing, like that's why I got these. But the quality 6 out of 10, the fit 0 out of 10. So I guess I would give these like a 4 out of 10 just because of the color and that they are at least wearable. So now moving on to the next small business, I got this dress from My Nomad and it looks like this and yes, it looks pretty good and it's super cute when you see it from a distance, but the quality, guys, like the quality, it is so bad. Like this fabric is so bad, it's so cheap and I cannot think of wearing this anywhere. Like it is so cheap, like it's like extremely bad quality. How do you wear this? And like the inner lining, and like the inner lining ends here and the cloth ends here. Like there's this much distance between the lining and the length of the dress, so it shows that the inner lining is like a little bit short and it doesn't look good. Like trust me, it looks so bad. So now the problem comes here in the upper part, the strings, like these strings out here, okay, they aren't adjustable, so you cannot really adjust it according to your fit. And when I wear it, it's completely fitted. So if I'm wearing it and if I bend down a little, it's all gonna come like this. So I don't think how people can wear this outside. So not recommended if you want to look good and click just some cute pictures in this outfit. Yes, it's a really cute outfit, but you can only click pictures in this and not wearable outside because the quality is not good, the fabric is not good, the length that I talked to you about, and then the upper part problems, the string and everything. So yeah, not recommended. 2 out of 10 because it's pretty. And yes, a very important note here that there is no hate to any particular brand. I'm just giving you guys my honest reviews. I cannot wear that dress in public, and that is why I said that I cannot wear it. And and if you want to wear it, if you think that you can wear it after all the problems that I told you about, go ahead and buy this. I'm not stopping you, I'm just giving you my personal and honest opinions. Also, if you've ordered from this one brand and my experience is bad and your experience is good, yes, our experiences can be different from one particular brand. So no hate, not in the comments, not to that particular brand. So now continuing with the video, the next brand that I'm going to be talking about is Steezy. I got this God It's Brutal Out There tee from them, and it is so cute. Like this is like my favorite thing to wear these days because it's like so cute, and the fabric, and oh my god, the fabric, guys, it's so good. Like it is so good. And yeah, I will be mentioning all the prices on the screen. So yes. And also I will try to mention all the Instagram pages of these small businesses down, so make sure to check out the description box. Okay, so now the next small business that we are going to be talking about is Strats, and this was in collaboration with them. I got this top, and you must have seen this top everywhere. Like are you even using Instagram, or are you even going out if you haven't seen this top anywhere? This is like the net area, and this part, like you all know what this area feels like, and this fabric feels like, so I don't need to get into the detail. And it's cute, like the top in itself is cute, the color is great, and but it's like net thing. I do not really like to wear a lot of net thingy, because especially in summer, because it irritates and annoys the hell out of me. So it's cute, and the color is good. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Okay, so now moving on to the next small business, it's the BT Club, and I got 3 tees from them. First is this tee, it's so cute, like the quality of their t-shirts are amazing, so I would give this a 10 out of 10 because the quality is amazing, the fit is amazing, and it's so cute. Then the next tee that I got from them is this plain solid red color. I wanted a tee in like solid red color, so I got this, again a 10 out of 10 because the color is perfect and the fit is perfect, and obviously the quality is perfect. And I also got this one tee. I'll just insert the pictures right here. It's like a beer tee, and it's brown in color. It's so good. Okay, so now moving on to the next small business. I don't know if Bonkers Corner is still included in small businesses. Like I don't know. But I got this tank top, or like crop top. What do you call it? Polo top, yeah. So yeah, I got this polo top from them. It's brown in color, chocolate brown in color, and it looks amazing. The fit is amazing, and the quality is amazing. A 10 out of 10, and it's so cute. So yeah. And if you're looking for a polo top at an affordable price, this is the one. It's for like, I don't remember. Okay, I don't remember, but it's very affordable. But so yeah, a 10 out of 10 again. Okay, so I got this another oversized t-shirt from them like a year ago, and the quality is still amazing. And yeah, again a 10 out of 10 because we are judging on the basis of quality and if they are comfortable or not. So yeah, a 10 out of 10. Okay, so now I only have these 3 things left from Urbanic, but I'm just gonna cover them at last. But first of all, I ordered 3 of them. This one is in pink, the other one is in lavender, and the other one was cow print, white and black. So like it's pretty, but it doesn't do its job. It's supposed to tie your hair, but when I just put my hair in a loose ponytail, it slips off. So I really don't think it's worth investing in because they don't work at all. The elastic, it's completely loose. It just works fine in the beginning for like once or twice, but then afterwards it's just a super loose elastic thingy, so I don't really like it. So yeah, now moving on to the next small business. I cannot pronounce the name, I just think her somewhere here. But I got these earrings from her, and they look so cute, like this one, and then the next pair is this heart ones, like these cute little hearts, and then they and then the beer one. They all look super pretty and the quality is amazing. So yeah, 10 out of 10 again because they look super cute. So now the last is Urbanic, and it is in a small business, I know, but I'm just going to include it. I got this green dress. Like you must have literally seen this dress all over Pinterest, and I got this for like 1200 or 1100 I guess, and the quality, it's good according to the price, and you cannot really expect anything more. Like I still have the tag, and yeah, it's good, and it looks exactly how it looked in the pictures. So yeah, 10 out of 10 again. Then moving on to the next item that I got from Urbanic is this top. Again, you must have seen this all over Pinterest, and it's such a cute top. Like you will never find this top in stock. I got so lucky that I got this and the other green dress that I showed you just. So I got these two in stock at the same time, and so I ordered them and in the right size. Like I got this in size medium, and in like crop tops I really prefer extra small because I want that fit. But I am so glad that I ordered medium because it is just like extra small, like it's so small. And I'm so glad that I ordered medium and not extra small was not available, only the medium was available, and I wanted this top so bad that I ordered medium, and I was like, I am just gonna get it fitted and everything, but it needs no fitting, it just fits perfectly. And keep in mind that I am an extra small, so medium works perfectly for me. So if you are anywhere medium, just know that you need to size up. And now moving on to the last item, it is these wide leg jeans. So yeah, in the app they tell you that the pictures are just like an example of what the item can be. So I expected them to be long, but they're not that long, and it's not fitted like it's so loose that I wear it from my lower waist and not from my upper waist. I need to get it fitted a lot because it's like I need to get it fitted like at least this much area from like both sides because it's very loose. These are in size small, and I ordered this after I checked the size chart, so I don't really know what their sizing is all about. And I also got the top after checking the size chart, so I really don't know what's up with the sizing. But the two products are like completely 10 out of 10, but this just didn't really like the fit and the button thingy, it's so disappointing and annoying, and also the length of the jeans. So yeah, maybe a 6 out of 10 for that. And also tell me in the comments down below if you have ever shopped from these brands and what was your experience. So yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.